Welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to IKEA. It's an evening that I just need to get out of the house. So, let's go. Sometimes a mama just needs to get out. Am I right? So kids can stay with dad. Well, I just pulled up and I'm so excited to go in. I'm just not sure exactly what I'm looking for, but I want to show you some really, really nice things. It took forever to get in here. There's like a carnival or something going on in the parking lot and a little crazy, but let's go. Yes, we will borrow a bag. It's like Disneyland in here. Well, Disneyland to me, and I'm already loving this little area. Do you have an IKEA near you? Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to IKEA. And it's got like a lot of little areas set up that are good for designing if you're not sure what you want. And they're really good priced, I think. So I'm not sure if you know this about me, but I love tiny houses. This one has like a bunk that's up here. Little living room. Totally livable. There's the master. Little dining area. And IKEA is like known for like its storage. There's the kitchen. Could you live in a tiny space? I could totally live in a tiny space. I just don't think my family's on board. Boys do have some of these type of cubicles in their bedroom. I'm wondering if I could get something for it. Need an inexpensive but nice shelf. Look at this. This is decent. $20. It's decent. I think this is the kitchen that my oldest wants. These kind of European opening, pretty cool. Is that neat? That is so neat. But like this kind of sleek, straight lines, very clean. Which is funny because his room isn't like that, or wasn't like that. But I could totally see this as Isaiah's kitchen. We'll see, maybe one day. This is the little tables that we use for homeschooling. It's just a little white table. $25. Not bad. Here's a tiny one of 376 feet. Here's the living room, and then you see right into the kitchen. There's the bathroom, bedroom. I like it. So after you come down and look at all the little setups of their rooms, then you come down to what they call the marketplace, which is where everything's out and you can just pick up and buy as much as you want. I tend to get these plants often when I come here. They are only $5, and look at this. They have different kinds, so I'm gonna kind of check around to see, oh, this is what I want. This kind right here. This one's my favorite. It's got like that really thick, like, I like these leaves because they're so thick. So we'll get another one. It's only $5, and then the little tins are just $1. These are blankets and they're soft. I'm digging it. Closet and I love it. So it holds our shoes and it's nice and thin. So you can see, like, it's not very big, but it holds a lot. Smaller one, only $100, $99. And you can see it will hold shoes as well. I love it. You can go underneath a TV, like if you're having a flat screen and you're in a kid's room. That would be really good for like clothes or even shoes. The hardest part for me, and that is all the flowers. I need this tree. It's kind of like a fiddly fig. $50. And so after you walk through the marketplace and all the displays, if it's something you want, will say find it in like aisle 1, bin 5. And so you'll find these kinds of things and find what you're looking for. But it is like one big warehouse and you can help yourself. In fact, it says self-serve furniture area. And of course, they have cute stuff in the middle that I have to check out as well. So this is like the dresser or the shoe organizer that I have. And this one is only $250. But these kinds of things you have to put together as well. So be prepared to do that and put it together. Ooh, these are some nice chairs, $105 each. Some nice dining room chairs. And that's it. I got my bag. I actually got another bag, so I'll show you what I got at home. But I just love IKEA. So I'm back from IKEA. So they let you use the yellow bags while you're shopping, but if you don't have a way to carry it, then you need to buy these, which are $1.49. These bags are so awesome. They are good for like going to the pool or the beach, or even like taking blankets. It's a very, very big bag. Blankets, when you're traveling, they go nicely. I've used it for all of that. So I'm happy to have another one because I think I got rid of one from when we went to the beach. So let me show you what I got. So first off, I bought these. These are for the cubicles. It's just like a little 12 by 12 inch little box that I can put in the boys' room. And I just got gray. I thought that was perfect. Okay, so and these were $2.99 each, or $2.97. But so I got 3. And then these are the plates that we like to use. They're pretty thin, and they're just classic white, and they are 79 cents each. So I like to pick up a few more every time we go because I don't mind like putting cookies on there, take it to the neighbor's house, and then like if I don't get it back, it's not a big deal. Plus, we use them for like get-togethers and parties, and I figured the amount of money that I spend on plates, like paper plates, I could just get a set of like real plates and just put them in the dishwasher. To me, I feel like that's a good idea. And then I also bought a tray. This was $1.99, and I thought I could use that in the classroom. And then for foliage, I got these. Isn't this so cute? Like this eucalyptus. And this was $1.99. And then I think I told you that all of this with the little container and the little, it's kind of, I love it. It's just some foliage, $6. So all of this was about $30. Not bad, right? And I had 5 plates. So thanks for shopping with me at IKEA. I didn't get like a ton, as much as I would love to get more there. I'm kind of hit or miss. So sometimes I get, I have like a vision, I know what I want, and then a lot of times I just kind of go up and down the aisles and just envision what starting from scratch would look like. Now, some of their quality of their furniture is a little, depending on how much you spend on it, may be a little bit on the cheaper side, but some things like these decor things, I love it, and I think they're fairly inexpensive, and if you don't get a bunch all at once, you can kind of build on it, and next thing you know, you have wonderful things for redecorating, use what you have. And so I'm just so glad that IKEA now is in Las Vegas. So thanks for stopping by the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you like shopping at IKEA and if you've even been to the IKEAs that are nearby you. So thanks, rollers, for stopping by, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.